Hello everyone, today I am going to explain and analyze Alapin's opening chess rap easy to win checkmate. I am going to explain 3 chapters one by one. Please don't miss any video, watch until finish. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, now chapter 1, Alapin's opening rap, part 1. First move, e4. This is called King's Pawn game. Let's start with e4 opening. Another move is e5, King's Pawn game. Another move is knight e2. This is called King's Pawn game, Alapin opening. This is white move, Alapin's opening. Another move is bishop c5. Okay. Bishop c5. Then f4, queen f6, c3, knight c6. Okay, you can see right now. Now the black pieces, so better position is right now. What white pieces going to lose this game because their stay is different. The white pieces not develop their piece. Okay. Another move is g3. This is King's Pawn game, Alapin opening. Another move is fifth move of knight h6. Next move is up g2. Then knight g4. Okay. Now you can see why the knight come to g4 squares. Okay, I am going to explain right now. Now, threatening seventh move of black, bishop f2 checkmate. Okay, you can see right now this bishop come and here beautiful checkmate and support by the black knight. Okay. Now another move is rook f1. Okay, rook f1. Sorry, this is knight. Then rook f1. So another move of white, knight cross h2. But white must play eighth move of b4. White must play eighth move of d4. If didn't play e4, you can see right now e4 pawn black the check. If didn't move, easily won black. Okay, another move f cross e6. This is a different move of white. Now queen cross f cross e5. Then queen cross f1 and variable check. Okay, now bishop cut the queen. Total this game is now finished. Okay, understand right now. Another move is knight f3 and beautiful checkmate. Okay, this is chapter 1, Alapin's opening draft. That's it. We can go now the second chapter of Alapin openings. Okay. Okay, this is chapter 2, Alapin's opening draft. How to win easily black. Okay, first move is e4, King's Pawn came. The another move of black e5. This is called King's Pawn came. Knight e2, King's Pawn came, Alapin opening. Another move d5. Okay, another move e cross d5. Queen cross d5. Knight 1 c3. Now attack the d5 queen. You can see right now. Now you can see this knight attack the queen. So that's why the queen go to a5. You can see that this queen go to a5. Okay, a5. Then white move. White going to move d4. Okay. Now attack the e5 pawn. Then knight c6. Okay, you can see right now how to play what. Okay. Another move is the white pawn go to d5. Now attack the knight in c6 squares. Black knight. Okay, another move, knight b4. Okay, knight b4. This is very good move of black. Okay, in some moves, black going to win perfectly. You know this trick? Okay, I will show you everything. Another move is bishop b2. Okay, then bishop f5. So now rook go to c1. Okay, now the brilliant checkmate right now in two moves. Rook c1 and bishop cross c2. Now check, rook cross c2. Then knight to d3. Brilliant checkmate with black knight. Okay, that's it. This is chapter 2, Alapin's opening chess raps, chess tricks to win past in beautiful checkmate. Okay, that's it. We can go now chapter 3. Okay, this is chapter 3, Alapin's opening raps. So the first move is e4. This called king's pawn game, e5, knight e2. King's pawn game, Alapin opening. Another move, knight f6, then f4, e cross f4, knight cross f4. Okay, take back everything. Then knight go to cross e2. The pawn is gone. This game going to lose black because white moving perfectly right move and beautiful technique ideas. That's why white won this game. Do both until finish this game. Okay, another move, queen e2. Now pin the knight. Okay, I will show you. Now this queen pin the knight. So that's why black queen go to e7. Now save the knight. And queen h4 and we will check. Sorry. Knight d5 and we will check. Then queen go to e5. Okay, you can understand right now another move. Knight b c3. Knight b c3. Now safely white knight is now safely. You can see right now. I will show you. Okay, this knight perfect safe with this knight. This queen doesn't cut. Okay, another move, c6. Okay, then d4. Now queen is attacked with the white pawn. Then queen go to f5. Okay, now another move is knight cross e4. Okay, now black resign because you can see right now if knight cross e4 or another move, queen go to f5, black queen here. If knight c7, it says check. Knight c7, beautiful check. The ninth move, c7. This knight go to here and beautiful check. Then win a piece since knight c cross d5. Okay, you can see right now knight cross e4. Go back now. This is d4. Then queen f5. Then the ninth move of knight c7 and beautiful check. Knight c7 and beautiful check. Win a piece since knight c cross d5. Okay, another move. King go to here. Then the rook is gone. Okay, totally this game, white won this perfectly. Okay, that's it. This is chapter 3. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. That's it.